Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. And if you're not a member of my channel and you like what you see, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell twice so you know when I upload a new video. In today's video, I bring to you Winter Lantern Collab hosted by Kenya Decor Corner. Please head over to her channel. She has amazing home decor, shopping haul, shop with me. So tips and ideas on how to decorate a home. So please go over and show your love and support. The rules for this collab was to show how to decorate a lantern and how to use lantern in decorating. So for my lantern, I styled a black lantern I purchased from Ross about 2 months ago, and this is the first time I'm using it. So inside the lantern, I place a bling candle holder, and that is also from Ross. The lantern was about $16.99. I set it inside of a wreath, and on that wreath I added some pine cones, some picks from Dollar Tree, and the navy blue poinsettia picks are from Hobby Lobby. I also added, I believe, with some more picks towards the back, and on the top I added more of the navy blue pick from Hobby Lobby, along with the floral piece from Dollar Tree, silver floral piece from Dollar Tree. And I also added this belief sign, which I DIY'd, and that is from Dollar General. I placed the lantern and the wreath on top of a runner. The runner is also from Ross. On both sides of the lantern, I added the deers, and the deers are also DIY'd. I spray painted those silver. And lastly, I added these mercury glass candle holders, and those were also from Ross. Here's a full view of my decorated lantern, and please stay to the end. You will see how I styled it on a tablescape. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're not already a member of my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. Thanks again, and stay blessed.